Hi guys, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. Today we're going to draw and color Keroppi from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute little frog from Sanrio, we're going to first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start by right here, which is going to be my center, and I'm just going to draw a really big circle for the eyes. It's a huge circle. And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle at all, so don't even worry about it. It's actually kind of cuter when it's not too perfect. And so then I'm going to bring it back in here. And in this area, I'm just going to straighten it out a little bit. So this is where it connects the other eye. So then from there, I'm just going to drag out another circle on the other side. So I'm just going to give myself a little point right here so I know that's about how high for the other circle to go. And I'm just going to eyeball it, say about this much. And bring in the other circle and connect it. So it's just a little bit straighter right here in the center. Okay, so we got the two big circles in. So then from there, let's draw the inside for the eye right here. Right next to the center right here, I'm going to draw another circle. So same thing on the other side. And then from there we can make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Okay, and then lines at the bottom. So same thing over here, two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. So if you love Sanrio characters, please check out my Sanrio playlist. And I hope to draw many more Sanrio characters for you. So let me know in the comments below which ones you would like me to draw for you. And lines at the bottom. Okay, so we have the eyes in now. Let's come over here and we're going to draw the face. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll just give myself a point on both sides. So I'm just going to drag this point across so that I'm pretty much even for the face. And from there, I'm just going to drag a curve down. So same thing on this side. And just go ahead and connect it. There. So then we have the face in. Let's bring it to life with a cute smile. So I'm going to come to the center. So this is my center. I'm just going to drag a point down, say about right here towards the bottom. And I'm just going to bring a curve up. And another one on this side. And then just cap it off. And then there's going to be two little round cheeks right here, and you can add that when you're coloring because I don't want to put a dark line around it. And then from there, let's draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come about right here, centering my body right here, and I'm going to bring a curve down. And about right there, I'll connect it. And then let's draw the, well, let's go up and draw the arms. So there's one that goes up, it's waving hello, hi. So we're gonna come about right here. I'm just gonna drag a curve up and zigzag it in. So same thing over here. Drag a curve down, and then we're gonna zigzag it in. And then from there, let's draw the feet. So I'm gonna come in the center again. This is my center. I'm just going to bring a small line down, and from there curve over here and over here, and then just going to connect it with 3 curves for both sides. And then inside right here he has a little bow, so I'm going to come to the center once again, just give myself a point and draw a little bow. And since this bow is black, I'm just gonna go in there and color it black for now. And that is pretty much it for this cute little keroppi. Now to color it. So there, all done. I hope you guys love this cute little keroppi from Sanrio. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.